welcome back to my channel, and today what I thought I'd do for you is just show you a little small haul from Dollar Tree. I was in there the other day just looking around to see what was new, and I was shocked to find they actually have fall out. I was totally shocked. I love fall, but right now I'm not quite ready for fall. I think it's just a little bit too early, although I do love it. But I thought, you know, if I don't get these items when they have it, then once they're gone, you can't find them. And they may get these back closer to fall, I don't know. But they were so pretty, I didn't want to take any chances. So let me show you what I purchased. And then I did purchase one thing from Dollar General that I thought was really a good deal. And but, you know, go into your Dollar Trees and see if they have anything out right now. And if they do, get it, and then you'll have it when fall comes. All right, first thing I'm gonna start off with, basically a lot of these are just flowers, are these Gerber Daisies, and I think they're so pretty. I love that orange. It is so pretty. I mean, I do love the colors of fall. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love fall, okay? So I got 2 bundles of these. And then I got 2 bundles of the Gerber Daisies that just look like this. They have a little bit of like a burlap in the center. I think they're gorgeous. I think these are gonna make some really pretty DIYs when fall does come around. And then I bought some hydrangeas. Look at these, they're gorgeous. And they too have some of this burlap right in here and then mixed in with just the really pretty flowers. So I got 2 bundles of these, and then I got 3 bundles of the hydrangeas that are just the beige, because you could even use these right now. They're so farmhouse looking to me, but they have the burlap there as well mixed in with the flower, and I just love how they took those flowers and then just made them a little darker on the tips. I think they're gorgeous. So like I said, I got 3 bundles of that. And then I purchased just some filler bouquet. And I got these. These have a little bit more yellow in them than they do orange. But I love them, and I love everything about them. And then I got 3 bunches of the filler bouquet that has more of the orange and not as yellow as the others. But I think that is gorgeous. Then I just got 1 thing of the berries, and they had different colors, but I wanted to get this one with all those yellows. Well, it's really a light yellow and then that orange and a little bit of a green. I thought it was gorgeous. And then they have their pomegranates, and anytime I see pomegranates at Dollar Tree, I pick them up. They're so pretty. Just look at that. And I love these because they look like they have striations, like just variated colors. And then these are a little bit lighter than those. I really like those. And then I went ahead and got 2 of the pomegranates that are just regular, the darker ones. You can do so much for these. These would be beautiful at Christmas time or any time really. They're so pretty. I just love them. Okay, so I got that, and then while I was in there, I like to get these little Jot expandable file folders because you can do so much with these, and these are a little bit longer. I have some of the shorter ones, but with this, like when I make my pocket letters, I can cut little pieces out and put it in here until time that I need it. Or like when I make my stickers, I can go ahead and cut them out and put them in here. Or like my paper clips that I've made, you can store them in things like this. So I really like this. And then I was in looking at their stickers, and I saw this one for summer, and I thought, oh, that would either be a really pretty planner spread, or that would be beautiful in a pocket letter, or even a shaker card. But I love the little umbrella and the flamingo and the little drink and the popsicle and the sunglasses. I just thought it looked very happy and upbeat, so I definitely picked that up. And then I also like to get these Jot 2-packs that they have. And it snaps open, and you can put different things in here, like scraps of paper that you have cut up and you haven't used entirely. And I like that you got 2 in a pack. I thought that was really good, and I like the colors. And then the last thing in this haul, we went to Dollar General just to look for something, a hose ring, I believe, because my husband pressure washed our fence out back this weekend. And naturally, I just sat there and watched him by the pool. But we went in there to get the hose little adapter, and they didn't have any. But when I was in there, I saw this. Is this not gorgeous? Look at that. I love that detail. Almost looks like paint stir sticks. I'm so addicted to them. But look at that. And then that grain with the darker and the lighter. And it's very wide and large planter. And it was only $10. So I picked that up for the summer outside the front door, or even this fall. I could really make some pretty things in that. So that's what I purchased. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. I had a lot of fun bringing it to you. Like I said, to me it's a little early, well, it's a lot early to start decorating or doing DIYs, but I want to start gathering my supplies. And at Dollar Tree, if you don't get it when you see it, it's gone. Now, like I said, they very well probably will, I'd say more than likely, bring this back out. But will they bring all of them, or will my Dollar Tree have them? I didn't know, so I didn't want to take any chances. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.